Here's Kia Access app. So yeah, this is the app to unlock your Kia car, Kia America. So Kia Access official Kia America. Kia Access makes getting your vehicle information and services easier than ever. Again, all the benefits of the Kia Owners Portal combined with many of the convenient streamlined features. Owner manual, vehicle payment information about maintenance, milestones, vehicle health reports, send location to your vehicle navigation, remotely unlock lock doors and initiate horns and lights, remotely find your car, get Kia Access today, and yeah, here you just can have it. I think there is a separate app for Europe for Kia, and then you just need to create your account and start using the app, and then yeah, you can have remote controls, vehicle locations, maintenance milestones, finance information, reference materials. So quite good app, to be honest, compared with all other like car apps. This seems to be really reliable ones app, because some other apps are just like they just either get stuck too often. There is like Honda app and things like that. So yeah, it's quite stuck on, but this one seems to be much better.